Meet Rose Poppy, a caramel pink and tan fluffy Frenchie who is a true standout. With an extremely high DNA profile, caramel pink and tan fluffy coat, paired with bright blue eyes, a pink nose, and a big rope. All features that make him instantly eye-catching. This boy, at only 4 months old, is already showcasing incredible structure for his age. Rose Poppy is the perfect culmination of structure, quality, and genetics, representing the new generation of Frenchies. He's short and compact without sacrificing structure, showcasing clean lines, balance, and bone, all while wrapped in one of the most unique coats in the Frenchie world. His sire is the one and only Husky Prime, and he measures just 3 inches off the ground with a tiny back length of only 7 inches, proof of how small, compact, and well put together he is.